Hello, my name is Zanna Davidson and I am an editor and writer at Usborne Publishing, focusing mainly on the young fiction list. At Usborne, we are passionate about getting children into reading. We know how important it is for encouraging empathy in children, for helping them excel at school, as well as the pure magic of opening up a book and going on adventures and seeing the world from different points of view. And to that end, we have made our young fiction books as exciting as possible and as tempting and as appealing to help children on that journey from the shared experience of picture books into chapter books. We've packed them full of fantastic colour illustrations, easy to read text. We've got speech bubbles, fun storylines, action-packed adventures, and perhaps most importantly of all, I think, really lovable and unforgettable characters who you're just going to want to keep reading about. We believe that there is something for everybody on our fiction list.